Hi, hello guys, welcome to IAS Expert YouTube channel. Today's topic is composition of blood. Introduction. Blood is a connective tissue flowing through capillaries, veins and arteries of all vertebrates. So, arteries carry good blood, that is oxygenated blood, and veins carry non-oxygenated blood, and veins. Red color is a characteristic due to presence of hemoglobin in the red blood cells. Hemoglobin consists of iron. Like all body tissues, blood serves multiple functions necessary for life as a defense against infection, gas exchange and distribution of nutrients. So, blood plays important role in gas exchange, that is carrying oxygen to tissues and carrying CO2 to lungs from tissues, and they also carry waste from body, and they also play important role in distribution of nutrients like vitamins, minerals and other amino acids. To fulfill all these functions as different types of cells suspended in plasma. All cells that comprise blood are produced in bone marrow. So, all cells are produced in bone marrow. Bone marrows are spongy tissue of the flat bones like skull, vertebrae, sternum, iliac crest, and medullary canal of long bones like femur, which is a leg bone or thigh bone, and humerus is a hand bone. The blood is renewable tissue of human body produced by bone marrow. So, all cells are produced in bone marrow. Composition of blood. When a sample of blood is spun in centrifuge machine, the cells and cell fragments are separated from liquid intercellular matrix. The light yellow color liquid on top is plasma. As you can see in this picture, there are three parts. The topmost is yellow in color, which is called as plasma, which constitutes 55% of total blood. And second one is erythrocytes or RBC, red blood cells, which constitute 45% of total blood, and in between plasma and erythrocytes there is a buffy coat which consists of leukocytes and platelets. Plasma, the watery fluid portion of blood, which constitutes 90% of water, in which the corpuscular elements are suspended. It transports nutrients as well as waste throughout the body. Various compounds including proteins, electrolytes, carbohydrates, minerals and fats are dissolved in it. So, the main function of plasma is distribution of nutrients and collection of waste throughout the body. And plasma is made up of 90% water and 10% corpuscular elements. Erythrocytes, red blood cells. Erythrocytes or red blood cells are the most numerous of formed elements, which constitute 45% of blood. Erythrocytes are tiny bioconcave disc. So, they look like they are concave from two sides, a curve toward inside, thin in middle and thicker around the periphery, thin in middle and thick in periphery. The shape provides combination of flexibility for moving through tiny capillaries with a maximum surface area for diffusion of gases. So what are the main functions of RBC? They carry oxygen to tissues and collect carbon dioxide from tissue and transport it to lungs for expiration. The primary function of erythrocytes is transport of oxygen and to lesser extent carbon dioxide. Leukocytes, white blood cells. Leukocytes or white blood cells are generally larger than erythrocytes, RBC. But they are fewer in number. Even though they are considered to be blood cells, leukocytes do most of their work in tissues. They use blood as transport medium. So, WBC are mainly found in tissues and use blood as transport. And they are fewer in number than RBC. There are two main groups of leukocytes in the blood. The cells that develop granules in the cytoplasm are called as granulocytes, and those that do not have granules are called as agranulocytes. The leukocytes are classified into two types, granulocytes and agranulocytes. Neutrophils, eosinophils and basophils are granulocytes. Monocyte and lymphocytes are agranulocytes. The main component of leukocytes are neutrophils, which are numerous in number and they are phagocytic and have light colored granules. So, neutrophils play phagocytic function which helps in reducing infection and fighting infection causing organisms. They are police to body. Thrombocytes or platelets. Thrombocytes or platelets are not complete cells but are small fragments of very large cells called megakaryocytes. Megakaryocytes develop from hemocytoblasts. What is hemocytoblast? It's a formation of stem cells in bone marrow which raises other cells. This is called as hemocytoblast. In the red bone marrow, thrombocytes become sticky and clump together to form platelet plugs that close breaks and tears in blood vessels. They also initiate the formation of blood clots. So, the platelets play a main role in blood clotting, and they also cover damaged blood vessels and prevent blood loss during injury. These are the main components of blood. One is plasma, leukocytes, erythrocytes, and 4 thrombocytes. These are the main components of blood. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.